Balik ito kay Chog. Ito, forward pass ito kay Dadeo against Ramil for 2. Mural, dire-diretso. And that's a rebound. Ito, forward pass ito kay Chog Mural. Chog. What a move. And one for Chog Mural. And that's his first basket. 3-pointer. That's a miss by De La Torre. Ito, forward pass agad dito kay Chog Mural. Chog Mural. Slam! Aris by group of companies leading over the Mollies Bukidnon.
Chog Mural.
Sana dito sa mga nagtanong sa Facebook page live streaming. Please like and share pa po sa aming Facebook page. Ito kay Chog Mural. What a crossover. Mural. And he scores. Grabe.